This is the message na dapat marinig mo kung pinili ng ex mo yung third party over you. Simple lang to. Anong nawala sa'yo? Isang cheating partner, sleepless nights, kung umiinom ka, pera sa alak, kung nagsha-shopping ka, pera sa shopping. Pero sila, forever sila magbabantayan, forever sila magpupulisan, forever silang insecure. Kasi alam nila, kung kaya nila nakawin yung partner nila ngayon, anong guarantee na hindi mananakaw to ng ibang tao sa kanila? And karma will always be sleeping next to them. Alam nila, karma is awaiting. Alam nila, hindi nila maiwasan yung karma. Ikaw, you have an opportunity right now to improve yourself, be better, and carry on. 8 bilyon ng tao sa mundo, hindi ka maubusan. You have an opportunity to pick a better person and to be a better person.